Hey guys, I'm David. Today I want to review Shellac. This is a clear finish that dries in just a few minutes and can be touched within 2 to 3 minutes. This is great for woodworking projects, which I use here in the shop to spray on my projects to get a quick finish that's clear and it looks great. Let me show you how it's done. As you can see, I've got a board here that I've sanded smooth that has no finish on it. I'm going to spray half of it with the shellac and show you how that looks after it dries. Okay, as you can see, I'll shake the can of shellac up and I'll spray from this side over, quick back and forth motions overlapping a couple inches to each side, stopping and reapplying back and forth, kind of like you'd see in a video where you see somebody paint a car. You don't want to hold it down and sit there and do this. You're going to get heavy spots and thicker spots, which is going to create inconsistencies in your finish. So the first thing you want to do is spray a little bit over here just to get it to come out, and then I'll spray it across. You want to hold it about 10 inches away from the board with 50% overlapping spray pattern. Okay, now this will dry within about 3 to 4 minutes where I could actually put another coat on here. Let's come back when we do that. All right, as you can see, it is dry to the touch now, and I can put a second coat on or leave it like that, but I usually do at least 2 to 3 coats. Again, I'll show you from this direction how I spray that. All right, we'll let that dry and I'll show you the finished product. Okay guys, like I showed you, that was quick, simple, and easy and get you those best results. As you can see after it's dry, the good clear finish on here, and any finish is going to darken the wood just a little bit, but this leaves a nice finish that is very protective against stains, against all kinds of things that can mark it up. It's good for cleaning off with regular dishwash soap or some kind of cleaner. I use this literally every day in my shop. I use it for wood projects. I use it on metal. I use it on anything. It dries within just a couple minutes to the touch, and full handling within probably 10 or 15 minutes. And after that, I would probably wait 12 hours probably for full usage in your house or something like that for the full benefits of how it can protect your stuff.